This is phone is water damage, and this phone is in my hand is water damage, and this phone is dead. Why is they did mistake? People normally think. So how you can fix, like if you don't have anything to open your phone, so you can fix at home water damage phone. How? First of all, you Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today I will tell you how you can take it off water from your phone. If you drop your phone in water and you want to make dry your phone, how? Like it's very easy. I will tell you. You can do it at home. Is very easy. If you watch this video until end, so you can fix your phone at home if it's water damage. So I will explain you very nicely. I hope you will understand, and if this video help you, please like and subscribe my channel. So first I have to show you I do repairs my phone. So you can see on screen there is a on screen you can see I fix phone. So I know very well than others people, because you can see on my videos I fix phone every day. If you check my channel, I have a many fixing phone, because it's my job. So I make video and I upload on YouTube. So to now I will tell you how you can fix. I watching a video on Instagram, then somebody is dropping a phone in water and he take it off and he put on rice, then he's showing, oh yeah, my phone is perfect. But not like that. It doesn't work. Rice is doesn't work because phone is fully covered and water is inside. How rice is going to be work? This is you see it's plastic, how is big. How can rice can take out of water from your phone? It's not going to be work. If you put a whole day, even you put a whole month, it's not going to be work. So what I'm going to tell you, this thing is going to be work because it's my job and I know it. This is phone is water damage, and this phone is in my hand is water damage, and this phone is dead. Why is they did mistake? People normally think who drop in phone in water, they took it off immediately and they say they thinking my phone is working perfect, and they think like, oh, my phone is right. It means it's not going to happen in my not going to do, it's not going to happen with my phone. But it's not like that. It's not true, because if you drop any phone in water, it take time to dead. Like this phone is the example in my hand, this is now dead. And he said, my friend, I dropped a few days ago phone in water, now 2 days going off, I don't know why. But when I open it and I check it, it's not coming on. So why? Because when you drop a phone in water, it take time to go in your phone parts in motherboard. It's going slowly. It's not mean when you drop in phone it's going immediately. Because so let me show you. You see here is everything is fake. Like is water is not going. Is water can take time. Your motherboard, your battery parts. So how you can fix, like if you don't have anything to open your phone, so you can fix at home water damaged phone. How? First of all, you everybody have at home hair dryer. Okay, so if you have a Samsung, so then you are lucky. If you have a Samsung, then you are lucky. Why I'm saying lucky? Because Samsung, if you have any like this cover, so you make it backside too much hair dryer, it make it hot your phone, like it make it warm, too much warm. So when it's warm, so let me show you, like you may take it like plastic, hard plastic, just swipe it and wipe it. You can see on my video on YouTube, you can see I'm doing on there is a heavy video. So you can open any Samsung back cover, Huawei, whatever. It's iPhone is difficult to open because iPhone need a special tool. So open the phone. iPhone is easy to open but difficult because you don't have tools. You need to buy tools. So that's if you have iPhone, so you also can fix. But why? You can fix like you can switch it off your phone, completely switch it off and make it backside warm, make it warm. And you when you feel it's warm, so just leave it. Then you make it over screen side, even Samsung, Huawei, whatever you have it. Then you make it warm. If you can't take it off back cover of Huawei and Samsung, so no problem. You can leave it cover like that and just make it warm. Make it warm until when you feel is now is warm. Phone is warm, so make it screen side also make it warm. Like when you feel yes now warm, leave it. After 5 minutes, then you do again I think you have to do 10 to 5 times. You have to do make it warm, then leave it 5 minutes, then make it warm, and don't turn on until when is you feel it's completely dry. I don't suggest you when you phone is 5 times, 10 times you turn on his phone, you make it warm with a hair dryer. So I don't suggest you use it. I will suggest you wait for 1 day because it's the best thing. Phone is expensive, I know, and if you can wait for 1 day, I hope it's going right. When is 1 day is going like after 1 day you again you do same like that. 5 minutes, so don't put in rice, just wait for 1 day. After 1 day you can take it off. You just after 1 day switch it on, otherwise don't switch it off. On is best thing. You have to make it again warm with a hair dryer. Is again do 5 times, 10 times, then is completely phone is going to be work long and not going to dead for it due to water damage. I'm telling you, it's very easy and very easy to fix at home water damage. And people is going to run on shop. Now this guy is bring it is in front of you, is guys example in front of you. As I have an example I have in my hand, and you can see this phone is dead because that guy was thinking my phone is working, and I drop in water and I take it off. And some phones are written on phone is waterproof. No, 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 no. Phone is not waterproof until if it's not covered like here a speaker and a headphone jack. If it's not covered, it's not waterproof. I'm telling you, I know this is they speak lie. I'm telling you true because I know I fix phone, so it's my job. So trust me, if his phone is not covered by charging port and headphone jack, so phone is not waterproof. I'm telling you, it's not waterproof. It's not IP68. So you must trust me because I fix this. I fix phones. It's my job, so I know it very well. Because if it's waterproof, they must cover this headphone jack because water can go through with a headphone jack and headphone jack and charging port. So I hope this video will help you. If the video help you, must like and subscribe my channel for. So must like and subscribe my channel. See you. I hope this video help you. Bye, take care.